more than 50 to 60 companies I got rejected, and then I applied for more than like 100 companies. When I get to know that I got selected in HPE, the two with this package, was very happy. And also I'm a fresh year graduate. I'm Shanjay Kumar. I have completed BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, and I'm doing my networks. But I came to know that like I have to strong my base in the programming languages. There is a vast path in programming, like web development, software development, and then there are very much like more and more frameworks are there to explore. But I don't know where to start. I'm standing nowhere. Like I don't know what is the path. So I decided to come across some courses, and I saw a Crio, and then I'm deciding to go in this backend. The main part is the projects. That will be like very much interesting. Like you will enjoy that part. You will be learning and doing. That was a challenging also. Like okay, I have done this. That will be a very good. The peers are like they helped me, and the Crio offered was 200 plus DSA problems. I started solving them each and every day. If you practice, like you'll reach that goal. That helped me a lot. Like I came to know, okay, I have to do this. That is a period like I felt the 2 months was very hectic for me. I was daily practicing, and still like after one day or 1 week, when I see the tough problem, I'll just go down. Crio taught me how to solve the problem and then how to approach the problem. More than a solving a problem, they taught me how to approach a problem and how the developer world will be and everything. How will you actually code? Problem solving skills will grow in various parts. So that is the main good part in learning. Like practice. That is the only thing. Even if they teach like tons of stuff, without practicing you won't get it. Even at the end stage, if you face a trouble, feel free to ask and clear your doubt. The problem solving skills will really help you in the interviews. Try to practice. Even if you get a less marks, that is also learning.